Hello guys, welcome back my channel. My channel name is So Easy Excel Course. Today we are talking about if condition and if function. Now we have a data of this. Now find a result. First, if and value greater than 33 to pass and fail. First condition is true. Second condition is fail. Second condition is used for fail. Now and now we are talking about ifs function. If big brother means if function is used for bigger data and bigger conditions uses. B2 is greater less than 20 to give fail, and if B2 given B2 given less than 50 to show pass, and B2 given less than 75 to show 75 to show good, and B2 is given less than 90 to give show nice. If V2 is given less than 100 to show excellent, means 90 to 100, 91 to 90, 100 to show excellent. That's the thing. If you show your pass will etc name, you want to show upper bracket, no dots, basically upper area basically. Now next is eligibility. How to find eligibility? Now first, eligibility rank is greater than rank is 1.1 and 2. If rank 1 and 2 show to pass, performance greater than 2.5 and total years of 4. If 3 condition is matched to show eligible. First, if and B2 greater than 2.5, we have a rank is different part, different thing. You use or C2 equal 1 or C2 1 and C2 2 then show done bracket close, and D2 greater than 4 years and show eligible. First true condition, second is not true, false condition, and not eligible, then enter. If your condition is matched, now this is show on your data. But now first close your forward bracket to give a if condition, and your data is show on. Now next step to condition formatting. Select all range your data and go conditional formatting and go from new and select first cell it's eligible and second eligible, but you don't freeze this cell 3 times. Press F4 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 to use this, and color your choice format basically. Thank you for watching my video. I am your So Easy Excel course.